Hello students of class 12. Welcome to the online tutorial classes for Vidya Bhavan High Secondary School. I am Megha ma'am, as you know, and today I will teach you the nutrition, and this video is for the digestive system, which is the first chapter what I already told you in the previous video. This is part 2 of this chapter. Okay. So today we will discuss about the parts of the digestive system. What is it? The parts of digestive system. So let me learn by a chart. Okay. Firstly it is we can categorize it by two parts. First is digestive or alimentary canal, and the second one is digestive glands. Okay, so here there are two parts, and these are also divided by many of the sub parts. Firstly, let me divide it this part. The digestive canal or the alimentary canal's parts are firstly mouth, which is also called buccal cavity. Next, pharynx. Next, esophagus. Next, stomach. Next, small intestine. Next, large intestine. Next, rectum, and finally anus. Okay, so these are the parts 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 parts, and also the small intestine have 3 more parts. When I will discuss by this picture, I will tell you in detail. Okay, and now the digestive glands. So I'm just writing here. Okay, I think you can see the first is salivary gland. Which is actually secreted the saliva. Next, liver and gallbladder. Which is secreted bile. Bile is secreted from here. The next is gastric gland. It secreted gastric juice. Next is pancreatic gland or pancreas. Pancreatic gland secreted pancreatic juice. And the last one is glands of small intestine. Okay, glands of small intestine, that is secreted succus entericus. Succus entericus. Okay, so what are the things like the salivary gland, liver and gallbladder, gastric gland, pancreatic gland, and the glands of small intestine? These are the 5 types of the gland, and they are actually secreted many of the enzymes, and we will discuss it in the next videos. Okay, and every secretory juice we have to learn properly and individually, okay, in this chapter. So now I am just pointing out this in this picture. You can see that there is a diagram of this digestive tract. Okay, so I will write and I will point it out the different parts of this digestive gland and also the parts of the alimentary canal in this picture. Okay, so very first this part is mouth, and next this one and this one is also called the salivary glands. I am just pointing out both of the glands and the parts of the canal. Okay, salivary gland. Next, this channel like part, this tube like part is called the esophagus. Okay, next, this triangular like structure, this is called the liver, and the small gland like structure is called the gallbladder. Okay, next, this rounded up like structure, it is where the food stores. The name is stomach. Next, the next part of the stomach is called the duodenum. Duodenum, and this part is called, the continuing part is called jejunum, and the last part of this continuation is called ileum. This duodenum, jejunum and ileum, three of them accordingly called the small intestine. The three of them forms the small intestine in together. Okay, we call it together like small intestine. Then the next part, okay, is called, this black part is called pancreas, from where the pancreatic juice are secreted. Okay, and this side part is called large intestine. Next, the last part of the large intestine, where the extra food are stored for the excreting out from our body, this part is called rectum, and the very last part is anus. So this is the picture of digestive system with glands, with digestive glands. Okay, I think you understood properly. Learn this picture, practice it in your house because it is very important and it can also come in your examination. Learn this picture properly along with this labeling. Thank you.